Hey guys, today is April 26. Ang chinas week of sabihin siya. And look at my nephew. You know what guys, my mom is very happy now because how many days we keep asking to my nephew that he will cut our grass. And then look my bunbon, he is the one to assist to my nephew. So, since we need more nylon to have the the thing for the grass cutter, we need to buy more. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, Lord. Oy, it's raining. It's raining or sprinkling. My mom. Let's go. Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up. Guys, we just got home and then we bought this nylon because my nephew. So that's my nephew right there. We are cleaning our yard today. He doing brush cut. Thank you so much to my nephew. And we just got home because we bought the nylon. So thank you so much guys. We have a nice weather today. And my mom, she's very happy because my nephew he's doing lawn or the mower, how do you call that, or grass cut. He's cutting the grass. And then because my mom takes how many days to get back, she came back.